Procedures for replacing a lost Social Security card. Losing a Social Security card is a significant event that requires prompt and careful attention. While you may not need to use the physical card on a daily basis, it remains one of the most critical documents you will maintain throughout your entire lifetime. It is an essential requirement when you are hired for a new job, apply for federal loans, plan for your retirement, or file your annual tax returns. Because your Social Security number is a primary target for identity theft, losing the card places your personal information at risk. If the wrong person gains access to your card, you could become a victim of severe identity fraud. Therefore, applying for a replacement is the most responsible action you can take to protect your future. You can apply for a replacement card online by creating a free personal account. This digital application process is efficient and typically takes less than 10 minutes to complete. To qualify for an online replacement, you must be a United States citizen age 18 or older and possess a valid United States mailing address, including military addresses such as APO, FPO, or DPO. Furthermore, you must not be requesting a name change or any other modification to your card, and you must hold a current driver's license or state-issued identification card from a participating state or the District of Columbia. It is important to note that this online service is not eligible for all 50 states and is unavailable if your identification was issued by a United States territory, such as American Samoa, Guam, the Northern Mariana Islands, Puerto Rico, or the United States Virgin Islands. If you are unable to apply online, you may visit your local Social Security office in person. It is highly recommended to arrive just before the office opens to minimize your wait time, as the duration can vary significantly later in the day. When visiting in person, you must collect and present several original documents to prove your citizenship and identity. Acceptable citizenship documents must be current and clearly show your name. You may need to provide a certificate of citizenship, a religious record of birth made before the age of 5, a hospital record, or a passport. If you do not have these specific items, the office may accept other current original documents that show your date of birth, your name, and a recent photograph. Examples of acceptable secondary identification include employee identification cards, school identification cards, health insurance cards, or military identification cards. For children who have lost their cards, the process requires specific documentation to confirm their age and identity. If the child has a state-issued birth certificate from before age 5, it should be submitted. For children age 12 or older requesting a new number, an interview may be required. You must provide evidence that a Social Security number was not previously assigned, such as school records, employment records, or documentation showing long-term residence outside the United States. Parents must also provide their own proof of identity, which must include their name, date of birth, and a recent photograph. After the Social Security Administration processes your application, they will provide a letter indicating that a new card has been requested. You can show this letter to any entity that requires proof of your Social Security number while you wait for the replacement to arrive. You can expect your new card to be delivered to your address within 2 weeks. Once you receive your card, ensure you keep it in a secure place, such as a safe or a locked box. Remember that memorizing your number is not a substitute for possessing the physical card. Always monitor your credit score and financial activity to ensure your information has not been compromised. Monitoring your credit should be an ongoing task to protect your identity from theft. Character count, 4,115.